What if I told you India hosts the world's largest animal rescue center? Welcome to Vantara, Anant Ambani's 3,000-acre sanctuary in Jamnagar, Gujarat. Home to over 150,000 rescued animals from 2,000-plus species, Vantara offers cutting-edge veterinary care, including Asia's first animal hospital with MRI and CT scan facilities. Elephants receive Ayurvedic massages and hydrotherapy treatments. Anant's vision? To create a haven where animals heal with dignity. Recognized with prestigious awards, Vantara sets a global benchmark in wildlife conservation. Would you visit if it opened to the public?